Don't tell me AMC shook me out and now it's going lower. Oh fuck, I hate trading so much. Man, if this thing goes down to like 45 now, with me being partial size, I hate my life. Come on. Yeah, Clovis is bouncing nicely. Right off the rising 20-day. Textbook so far. Etsy, that's not a nice flag. This is not the type of flag you should be looking for. You should do, yeah. I'm not saying it can't move, but this is not the flag. This is not a momentum stock. Slow ADR, no. Focus on momentum, guys. There's so many 5-star setups out there, guys. I don't want to see stuff like Etsy, guys. I really don't. There's so many. There hasn't been this many setup since like January, February. Oh my god, AMC, I hate myself. AVXL parabolic. I don't see a parabolic here. What the hell are you guys talking about? It wasn't even remotely like a parabolic. Now Beyond Meat, that looks like a breakout. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a good one. Fastly, good looking setup, 4.5 stars. These are the ones. I haven't seen this many 4 and 5 star setups like we've seen this week. I mean since January, really. Water. Yeah, it could be something here. Looks okay. Could be something there. Wish, shaking off the early weakness. AMC is not shaking off its early weakness though.
Executed. Executed.
Oh, someone mentioned this DDD. Yeah, that's a good setup too. Really good. We talked about it last week. It was setting up. Too thin for me, but man, there's so many right now, guys. I don't want to see any sub 5 ADR stocks. Like, really, stop it. I don't want to see any 2-star setups. There's so many great setups out there right now. TRCH para. I don't see a parabolic here. Maybe if it goes up another day or two, goes to 20 or something, there could be something there. Right now, it's just been going sideways for 2 days. There's no parabolic short here yet, but there could be later this week. Haha, wish. I wish it goes to 20.
Executed.
U1 mean reversion play. It could be. This is a good one. This is exactly what you look for in mean reversion. It's down 63% in what? Less than 2 weeks. And in the last 3 sessions, it's down 49%. Now this is something could easily bounce 30-40% if it wants to. 50%. I mean, it's a good risk reward. This is exactly the type of setup you're looking for. It's a good eye. That's a mean reversion setup on the long side. They're not as common as on the short side. That's a good one. Good eye. Good catch. Novan is absolutely nothing like that. It's been going sideways for 4 days. Where's the mean reversion here? No. It's not the same setup. BBIG having follow through from the breakout yesterday. Unfortunately broke out of a loose. It would have been so good if it had gone sideways or had a tight day yesterday and broken out today. That would have been 5-star. Instead it was like a 3-star setup yesterday, if that. If that. Semiconductors are setting up again. I will get back in Soxel big size later this week. Yeah, AMC, man. I had full size short opening range highs. Then it took out the opening range lows. Then it took out the opening range highs. Stopped me out of full size, and I only got the quarter size. Reshorting it. Can't believe it. Oh. It hurts. It hurts. I can't chase it. Can't chase it. And now it's gonna go straight down to 45. And I'm sitting there on cartoon size. What the hell is going on with Beyond Meat? Why is Kenny Boy always on my stocks? Space 2. Ugh. DDD is strong. Those who paid attention. Those of you who paid attention. AMC, I can't. Please, one more bounce. Please, please, please. Well, it's true. It's been a long rally. It felt tired for a long time now. It's not the same type of shoes we had earlier this year. But there are opportunities, obviously. It's just that I've kind of been messing with the wrong stuff and missed the obvious layout traits, and it's kind of frustrating. CLOV, nice one. Lemonade is setting up too, maybe in a few days. Yeah, for tiny accounts there's always opportunities. CY? Yeah. Potentially. Space also fading? No, space is holding up. Okay, that's good. But Beyond Meat is not performing. Non-performing asset. A lot of things are fading today. A lot of things are fading today. Third time Beyond Meat has stopped you out? Well, you know why it's the third time? Because you bought incomplete flags. Gotta wait for them to complete. That's why we wait for the 10-day and the 20-day to catch up in most cases. Space was a little bit of a gamble. It wasn't really that good of a setup. I think it's gonna extend it, but you know, I don't know. Maybe it can go or SFIX. Yeah, it's setting up. Yeah, good one. It would be 5-star tomorrow. Now key on this Beyond Meat pullback is to see if it can build another higher low. Nothing wrong with the setup, it's just sometimes things don't work.
Executed.
Chan.
Executed.
Leads. Yeah, it is setting up again. Couple of more days. Could be a really good one. Futu is a beautiful flag here. Just beautiful. If it can hold the rising 20-day. If it can't, that's not good.
Rejected. Executed.
FSR, yeah, FSR is tightening. Yeah, this is gonna be a really good setup in a few days. Did Kenny Boy find Wish? Yeah, he did. Damn it. Can I catch something that makes a big move? Like, really, I haven't been able to catch anything in a while that makes a big move. Except for AMC and BB for like a couple of weeks ago, but... Those one I kinda fucked up, I didn't have enough size.
Rejected. Executed.
This is what you get for anticipating. Now my Labu is tanking and I'm taking a huge loss on it. That's what happens when you anticipate stuff. Fuck, I hate anticipating. Ugh. So stupid. The whole concept is so stupid. What I did on Labu, instead of waiting for the race to start, I just took a bet. I bet on a fat, obese guy who's been smoking for 40 years. He's 2 months away from dying from cancer. That's the guy I bet on. That's what you get for anticipating. Stupid.
Executed.
Let's see. Guys, there's 100 million stocks out there. Focus on the fast ones. I'm not saying this can't work. I'm saying there's 10 stocks setups that are much better and they're gonna make much bigger moves. Focus on the right ones, guys. Well, that was a nice loss on Labu. Thanks for playing. And it's not like I had that tiny size either. Oh my god, I just can't get anything going and things are going higher and I can't get anything going. Yeah, let's see if Beyond Meat can build another higher low. It needs to hold the 20-day. Alright, AMC, let's see here. Why am I picking the wrong ones? I should have done CLOV instead. Alright. Sometimes you pick all the right ones and sometimes you pick all the wrong ones. That's just how it is. That's how it works. Guys, if you're frustrated by trading and it persists after weekend, I'm not sure you're cut out for this game. Like, I can get frustrated over, like, for the day, but next day I'm coming back. I have a fresh head. I don't care what happened previous day, generally. And after weekends, I'm usually really refreshed. Right now, I'm just frustrated for the day. Especially with that Labu. Why did I anticipate? I know anticipation sucks, yet I still anticipated. Not good. Kind of funny, when you break your own rules, that's when you pay for them. Pay for it. It's like the market has an ability to instantly punish you. Let's see what's here. Carvana. Ooh, another one. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Oh, what are these things doing? Nicola is setting up nicely. Workhorse is setting up nicely. AMC. What if AMC... No, it's just gonna run into this declining moving averages. What if AMC reclaimed that 57 area? That would be so powerful. Oh man, I want this thing to stop me out and go back to 57.
Executed.
Put a hammer here. Ooh, the 20-day tomorrow. Wait, how fast is this thing rising? 46.71. About $2 per day. So it's gonna be in the high 48s tomorrow. Like, I don't want the fade on this thing. I want the another leg higher. That's what I want. And then I want an epic parabolic opportunity. In retrospect, yeah, well, in retrospect, I should have bought 500,000
Executed.
shares in the low 11s and hodled it. That's what I should have done in retrospect. Dun, 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 dun. GME held the 50 day. Oops. XRT is coming back. RTL. Yeah, Beyond Meat is not really acting well. It should have bounced back into range by now. It's a fake meme stock. It's a Kramer pump. You can't have a boomer doing these things. It has to be a 18 or 25-year-old. If a boomer tries it, there's a high chance of failure. Why not eat vegetables instead of fake meat? Man, that's a stupid a stupid question. You eat fake meat because you still want something that tastes kinda like meat, that feels kinda like meat, that's not meat. It's like, hey, why drink milk if you can drink water? No, because they're not the same thing. Well, only if you eat the right type of meat. If you're buying it from the supermarket, it's probably crap.
Executed.
Exactly. Beyond Meat is for people who want to eat, who want to get the meat experience without eating something that's been stuck in a cage for years. AMC's for mall cops. Yep. Every mall cop is along this thing right now. Uber drivers too. I think the next big thing is gonna be cultured meat. It's already coming, like cultured chicken and stuff like that. No, that's something I'm excited about. Cell meat is long way. No, it's not. No, not the insects. Insects, that's just a fad. Yeah, lab-grown meat. You grow it from cells. It's real meat, which has never been in an animal. They have like... in some countries they have like chicken nuggets made of cultured chicken. Oh, please stop me out. I wanted to stop me out. Crickets, yeah. That insect thing is not really gonna be a thing. It's too disgusting. Yeah, exactly. In Singapore, they have it already. Kind of exciting times we live in. Oh, DDD, man. If it was more liquid, I didn't even get this thing in my scans. Or did I? No, I didn't. No, it's too liquid. Yeah. Future foods on chat with traders. Yeah. And remember the move Beyond Meat made, right? Remember when this thing IPO'd? Scarcity value, new exciting thing. Went up 420% in a few months. I can't wait until the first cultured meat company comes public. Upwork. Yeah, what's Fiverr doing? Fiverr kind of... Oh, Fiverr had a good break. Oh man, this thing had a good setup. Oh man, that had a good setup. Last week. What's this thing doing? ARKQ, okay. Come on, AMC. I like this candle. Oh man, this is such a good candle. Undercut and reclaim. That's super bullish. Now, I don't know if it's gonna hold up here. Maybe it's just gonna get rejected and sell off again. But for now, this is a super bullish candle. And the 20-day is starting to catch up too. Well... Oh man, the loss I took on Labo. Ugh. Fucking moron. Yeah, I broke my own rules. What I should have done, like you can anticipate sometimes if it's a really good setup, but you do it on partial size. Third size, half size. What I did, I went full size immediately. I should have done half size and then waited for actual breakout candle. But the setup is still intact. It's building higher lows and all of that stuff. Oh yeah, AMC. That's super bullish candle. Oh man, that's perfect. That is perfect. But I am a little bit annoyed how many times I gotten stopped out on this thing, both on the long and the short side. I had a really good trade on it here, this day when it almost doubled intraday on me. But now I've given all of those profits back. I had some great entries, like I shorted it here, I covered it here. Unfortunately, I never went long here, but I did go long here. But it never really had the follow through I wanted. Like, you know, here I had a big winner on the short side. I was up, I don't know how many millions on it, and then it just kind of came back. It's been an annoying one, but it is setting up. The longer it goes sideways, the tighter it gets, the better. Space. Oh, is it going to space? Oh, finally. Actually catching something with a follow through. Thank you for that. Yeah, DDD. Congrats, guys. Someone whispered me about it. Yeah, like the entry was, you know, no higher than 31. You had like what, 6-7 minutes after the open to buy it. Like, you know, sub 31, high 29s, sorry, high 30s. You know, it was already obvious it was a great breakout. You had 7 minutes, 6 or 7 minutes to buy it. Just imagine, you know, the candle looked something like this. It was in the 30 50s, 30 80s, 30 90s. That was an obvious 5-star setup. And, you know, let's look at how it looked the day before. This is what it looked on scans yesterday. That's a great setup. You have this clean range. It started building higher lows for a few days. You had a big move off the lows, 70% orderly pullback, built this range, and now today it broke out of it. Gapped up and just straight up. Beautiful setup. Just beautiful. Beautiful. Alf is going also, man. Man, there's so many big movers. And what's the common thing on all of these? Alf, TRCH, etc. Also BBIG. Now this thing hasn't made a huge move yet, but big volume. Big volume. All started with episodic pivots. This is what Pradeep always talks about. Big volume. Now these are all micro cap pumps. Like there's, you know, it's hard time to buy like, you know, pumps sometimes, but many times those are the most profitable trades. The shittiest companies can be the most profitable trades. That's the irony of the stock market. And that's what many of these business school types will never understand. They're so stuck in their spreadsheets. All these academics talking about efficient markets. These people are so clueless, man. It's so sad.
Executed.
Plug, yeah, it had earnings. I saw that. You know what? Let's go to this view. I mean, this is actually a good setup. I'm not gonna lie, this is a good setup. Had a big move off the lows. 85% move in a few weeks. Orderly pullback. It started surfing the 20-day, kind of started surfing it below the 20-day, but now it reclaimed. It took out this range, reclaimed both the 20 and the 10. It's actually a good setup, I'm not gonna lie. Just needs to get above that 200-day. It's not a bad setup. It's not. You know what? Not a bad setup. What's asshat doing? Why can't I get the chart on asshat? What's going on with TC2000? Did Kenny Boy just buy out TC2000 and shut it down? Shit. I think Kenny Boy shut TC2000 down, guys. What's going on? Slow connection? Are you kidding me? I'm streaming Brandy at 4K right now. I don't have a slow connection. No one got that joke. You guys are so boring. Is my internet down? Hey guys. Yeah, I had to reload it. Okay, okay. Everything kind of... Okay, okay. Yeah, there was something going on. Okay, I'm back. Sophie? Yep, beautiful, beautiful. Really, it is beautiful. Wait, the AMC went to 65? Oh, man, are you trying to give me a heart attack? This is good. It's probably gonna get rejected on the declining 10 and 20, but man, if it can... Oh, gee. Oh man, I'm so happy it did it. Look, I shorted it twice. The second time was only half size. Actually, none of the times were really full size, but I got stopped out of it twice, lost over little bit over 300k, and I've never been happier for a loss. Because this thing, man, it could double from here. It's setting up. It's a high tide flag building. Yeah, another one setting up. Yeah, beautiful. 12.6 ADR. Man, these are 5-star setups, guys. This is something that could go up 50% easily once it breaks out. First leg higher, it went up 111%. You know, these are the stocks. These are the stocks. These are the setups. Okay, I don't want to see anything below 5 ADR ever again. Only people with over 10 million accounts are allowed to trade stocks below 5 ADR. For everyone else, it's a waste of time. Do I regret going with ETFs only? Are you... I'm sorry, what? Most of my portfolio right now is stocks. What do you mean going with ETFs only? I have 2 ETFs. 2 out of 7 positions right now are ETFs. I don't understand the question. Pluggy boy. I live off of trading. You can sign me up. Yes, David. I haven't checked Facebook. What's space doing? Is space in space yet? No, it's not in space yet. Hopefully it goes to 40 today. What's Fubo doing? Oh, what a beautiful follow through. So beautiful. Oh man. BBW. That's 5-star. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Big move. Sideways. A little bit of pullback. Surfing the 20-day, building higher lows. Really tight, has a nice range here. Yeah, it looks good. Just needs to break out. Oh, COVID names having nice follow through. Beautiful. Zim, guys, we've been talking about, or actually, look, no. It's not really a momentum stock in the same way. You know, look for stocks that are explosive. This is a grinder. Look, it has a little bit of a move, pulls back. Has a little bit of a move, pulls back. Has a little bit of a move, pulls back. The setup itself, I mean, maybe, yeah. It's kind of barcode-ish right now. It's not really, you know, focus on the ones that can go up. You know, go up. I mean, this thing is up almost 300% over the past, I don't know, 4 months. Focus on the ones that went up 50, 100% in a few days or a few weeks. You know, stuff like Beyond Meat. Now this one stopped us out, but you know, powerful flags. Wish, right? This thing more than, you know, this thing doubled in 2 days. Those are the ones you want to focus on. Yeah, Labu. That's what you get for anticipating stuff. No, don't anticipate ever. Yeah, DDD has always been the leader. SSYS, yeah. There's a few more. X1, VChat. These are all 3D sector.
Executed.
And then NDM is another one. Roku, another one I chose not to make money on. Ugh. Is it very risky to trade low float because they're more susceptible pump and dumps? Why would that be risky? Why would buying a solid setup on a low float stock that then becomes a pump be risky? That's what we want. That's what sell rules are for. You're not gonna get stuck in a dump. Low floats are great. Low floats are what you should, like almost all of the high ADR stocks are low floats. Those are the only stocks you should be focused on. No, not a good setup. MNMD is not a good setup. Focus on the ones that had a lot of momentum recently. AMC, it rejected yeah, for now. Right now it's in no man's land. Yeah, it could go straight down, but it could also find support at VWAP and go green on the day. Tough one, super tough. It's been so tough to trade. I had some great entries, but never had any follow through over the past few weeks. A little bit annoying, but that's the way it is. Oh my god, this is what a great setup is supposed to do. This is what a great setup is supposed to do. Congrats to those who were awake and got it. Great job, guys, really. GSAT had a great setup back in early February. 5-star, wow. 5-star. This is the, oh my god, 5-star. I mean, you can't get more, you know, you can't get more perfect setups like this. And everyone should already have this in their setup database, so no worries. You would already know about this one. Similar to no, was it SNDL? Oh, now Kenny Boy is on my internet connection again. Yeah, Sense was that. Yeah, but Kenny Boy is trying to take me down again. Okay. Whatever. I'm gonna watch some YouTube meanwhile. This 3D printing ETF is also kind of bouncing off the rising 150 day for the second time, and also it's breaking this multi-month trend line. Yeah, like I said before, I'm gonna watch some YouTube. That's what I've been doing. That's what I've been doing. Alright, I'm gonna cut the stream now. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you tomorrow.